Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are locked out of your chess.com account and need to recover it, you are in the right place. Today, we will walk through the exact process to get your account back quickly. Let's get right into it. To begin, open your browser and go directly to support.chess.com. Alternatively, search for chess.com customer support on Google and click the first official link. Once you are on the Help Center page, look for the Contact Us button or the support chat icon, usually located at the bottom left or top right of your screen. Click on it to open the support window. From the menu that appears, select Contact Support. You will then see several options. Choose the one that says, "Why is my account closed?" If the interface has updated and that button is not visible, simply type "account recovery" into the chat prompt. The system will now ask for your details. Enter the email address connected to your closed account, followed by your exact chess.com username. Make sure there are no typos. After submitting this information, the chess.com support team will review your case. You can expect a reply via email within 1 to 3 days with the final instructions to fully restore your access. That is all it takes. If this tutorial helped you get back to playing, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.